इसमें सर देखिए ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग होगा।
मैडम आ गए ऑनलाइन सर कनेक्ट। Okay, madam. This is the computer lab of Children's Happy Home Kathia, which is situated in Rohitpur, a small para. I would like to display this computer lab's internal part, and two computer teachers are here. You may see Mr. J.P. Sharma sir, the computer head of the department of Children's Happy Home, and if would you like to ask, sir, before giving his introduction, I would like to give you all the details. There are 30 assets of computers, and all the assets are in proper functioning. And Mr. J.P. Sharma, he is one of the in charge of computer lab. And if you would you like to ask anything, you please ask him.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
मैडम
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you just please
Okay. Okay, sir. Like computer department, my and like as you know, 30 computers are in functioning. And can I just get from you, like classes 6 to 10, how many practicals in a week for you?
30 computer
No,
is
sir.
all are okay.
No, I mean practical periods for 6 to 10.
6 to 10.
Yeah, practical periods I meant, not the computer. 30 computer, I got it. How many practical periods for you?
Separate class for theory and separate class for practical for ladies, for girls and boys, according to their routines.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
do you
Sir,
listen to me, madam?
Yeah, I got it.
Sir, another computer in charge, Mr. Manoj Kumar, and if you would like to ask him any questions regarding the computer lab.
No, same
Good
as
evening, ma'am.
like other lab. Yeah. So
Good
like
evening, ma'am. This is Manoj Kumar.
Yes. Okay, got it. No, for the
I'm also IT in charge here. I teach computer subject as well as mathematics. Sometimes whenever we get chance. Have you any theory about computer labs? Yeah, computer practical, any types of facility to the student? May you ask me, sir, ma'am?
Sir, like we are planning for computer science or IP or IT sector for +1, +2. Anyway, there will be another lab for you. Sure. Because this won't be sufficient.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
clear.
Yes, ma'am. My school has ability to extend up to class 12, and suppose that now till it is not a separated computer lab, but in future when our school get affiliated, then the separated lab will be already made by the school management, and all facilities are available. Okay, but we are waiting for upgradation of 10+2, ma'am. And I have enough computer in computer lab. There are 30 PCs. All PCs are working properly, and also my school has high speed internet facilities here. All systems are connected to internet. Internet facility is also given to the students. All students are very active and also perform all activities regarding the subject of computer.
Good. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you.
Okay, madam, would you like to see online other part of the schools for your satisfaction?
Already we saw other labs and all. Even facilities also we saw. It's okay, fine. I think this much is clear. You can ask other sir about that if he wants to see anything.
Recording was not done, so madam, please continue. Some portions were left. That's why I request, please you continue games and sports and other main games so that in half an hour everything will be covered.
Okay, like can we then see the sports room?
Yes. Continue, please.
Yes,
Sports
madam.
room. Can we see the sports room, sir?
We have already sports room, and I have already displayed it through the online, and where the indoor games facilities are available, and along with
Okay.
in one hall, indoor games facility is available, and yoga and dance practices whenever the routine is fixed for the girls, particularly when girls is allowed to come for yoga, it is under the hall, and for boys it is in the open field.
So is it the same period it's happening for boys yoga and girls sports, or like
No, madam.
how's it done?
Separately. Suppose if today is for girls, then tomorrow for boys. So that because we have only one yoga madam in the school, and it is impossible to handle at the same time for both the boys and girls.
No, I meant separate only. I'm asking for the sports
Yes.
period. Is it happening half? Yes. Girls will go for yoga and boys will go for sports, right? Yes.
Yeah.
You have how many periods for PT?
Yes, madam. Please pardon it.
How many periods for PT? How many?
Each class is for 2 periods of yoga in a week, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Madam, anything else?
No. First of all, we have yes.
थोड़ा बहुत रिगार्डिंग मिलते थे आप अपने आप आइए हम सही है.
What about the sports day and all you conduct every year, no? Sports activities and all? Sports day?
Sports day particularly is not celebrated in the school, but sports period is allowed for each classes, and
So regarding
most probably
नेट अच्छा चल रहा है.
for competitions, sir, that is class-wise event.
yes,
Competition
we have inter-class competitions are being conducted
yeah.
in the school, like even boxing and badminton and cricket, football, handball, and volleyball.
Both outdoor and indoor, training them.
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
Yes, sir. What about the house activities? Is it like any house activities or only class-wise you do? Is there any particular
No.
house like
Housewise. The classes are being distributed with the housewise, like Tagore House, Nehru House, Ravindra House.
मिल गया था वहाँ आप बोले कि अब वो ऑफ हो गया था, उसे हम लगा दिए थे, उसके बाद ध्यान नहीं दिए उसका, ये भी ध्यान देना है. खैर तो वो मैं उनके मोबाइल में दिखा रहा था, तो लेके दिखा रहा था उसको, ये भाई आप लोग हमारा तो गलती नहीं है. ये रिकॉर्डिंग
for the arts fest and all, how is it done? Arts fest? Cultural events are done.
Yes. Cultural activities are also being conducted in the school.
That's also class-wise, or like how was it done inter-class?
No, madam.
Or house-wise?
It is separate. It is being conducted on the basis of house-wise.
Okay, fine, sir. like, what about the value-based education? Something you're doing, value-based educations? Any value, moral science, or like value education periods you have, particularly meant for 6 to 10?
Madam, please, madam.
Yeah, so what I asked is regarding the value education period or moral science period you have.
Yes, moral science period is being conducted, and particularly for class 1 to 5, the moral science is already recommended in the class. And the moral values are being taught by the senior teachers in senior classes.
वहाँ से करने
Art integration, art integration, you're clubbing with that topics, subjects and all. Art integration, the new method what CBSE has like implemented. Are we giving focus for that also? Art integration.
Madam, do you want?
So what I asked is regarding art integration, you're focusing for the subjects.
Madam, you please pardon it.
So I meant, are you focusing in the art integration
Because
for
your
subjects?
link is disrupting, madam.
Can you hear me now? So can you hear me?
What is? Madam, are you listening me? नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम
अपना ठीक है,
उनका प्रॉब्लम है, उनका कट रहा है।
अच्छा नहीं रखना चाहिए सर। नहीं सर, वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
आईसी सर, आर यू लिसनिंग मी?
Yes, I can listen. I can hear you, sir. Please carry on.
लाइन पे
What I asked is regarding art integration.
उन्हीं को बोल के हटाया जाएगा,
कुछ किए हैं क्या?
उन्हीं को बोलिए सर, आप क्यों ऑफ करेंगे अब?
टाइम ओवर हो गया।
नहीं, टाइम ओवर नहीं हुआ है।
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, छोड़ दो।
हमको लग रहा है कि सीबीएसई दिल्ली की बात कर रहा है।
ये लिंक अभी वॉच नहीं करा, लिंक करेगी।
हमको संडे है, परसों करेगी।
जो इतना भी वीडियो बन रहा है देखना।
रमेश गोपालन।
देखिए 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 चल रहा सेशन चल रहा है। तो करेगा कहीं जल्दी चार्ज ले रहा है, आपको बंद इससे कनेक्ट कीजिए, इससे वो चल ही नहीं रहा। हम ये अपना सेट कराए कट नहीं है, ये भी हो सकता है। इसका कितना अरे आपका कट गया वहां से, कहाँ से? बिल्कुल साहब, हाँ इसको कटा होगा। सब जगह कर दे, आप ज्यादा नहीं करना, इसको सबको आप एक आप हो सकते। ठीक है, जाइए देखते हैं आपका भी हो रहा है ना। जानते हैं खराब हो गया, टेबल खराब हो गया, बोल रहे हैं ओरिजिनल होता है, बोल रहा है रिकॉर्डिंग हो गया, देखते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ है। हम तो अभी उसको परमिशन लेके रखिए, परमिशन लेके गए हो गए और जब खत्म इसका वो नहीं और नहीं लाइन तो बाकी सब हो गया ना। अभी आप और मैडम रहेंगे। और करीब करीब 28 मिनट।
मैडम को
हाँ
बोलो।
आ गया। चलिए सर आ गया।
हाँ सर आ गया, टिकट
गार्डन देख लीजिए सर।
मैडम को ही दे।
वो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, वो सीबीसी बोला है कि एग्जिट हो सकते हैं अपने अनुसार, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं।
मैडम ने ऊपर नहीं दीजिए, मैडम दीजिए।
I see, sir.
सर बात करने आखिर करने टाइम पास 28 मिनट है सर। 28 मिनट है।
कहिए नहीं बेटा, आप मतलब पूछिए।
I see, sir. Are you listening me?
आप बोलिए ना सर। Once again review.
हाँ हेलो।
Yes, sir.
हाँ।
Are you listening me, sir?
हाँ yes, I am listening.
Yes,
I think
would
I
you
think
like
that-
to ask
yes.
anything more, sir?
Yes, I think that once again, please take a round of the Vidyalaya so that if the recording was missed, then it will be again recorded. Please take a round of the
Sir,
Vidyalaya. Yes.
Sir, please repeat, sir.
As per laboratory or ground or front view of the Vidyalaya, because some recording was left, that's why it is necessary.
I would like to start from the main gate, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. We have 20 minutes, so we can do it easily.
So
We have 20
once again from the very beginning.
As far as possible, you can do.
Yes,
If some
okay, sir.
recording
Okay.
was missed, then it will be again recorded. Just you start. You start. Okay.
जानते हैं वो दूसरा में लगते नहीं करे। ये दूसरा का वो वहाँ मोबाइल हम लोग का ठीक है किया।
हाँ लगे।
देखिए हम लोग पे सही है। बहुत समस्या है सर। सब आपने समस्या है।
Here of the girls, and from my right side girls, and from my left side boys. A part on this part is located as the flower garden of this, and just from my front side, this is the front boundary wall of the school, sir. And just I am locating you, sir.
चलने दीजिए। टाइम पास करना है।
बोले रिकॉर्ड हुआ है, दोबारा फिर रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है भाई।
नेट प्रॉब्लम है।
हमको लगा
आ जाएगा।
Sir, this is the northern part of the boundary wall, and just in front of me, you may see the boundary wall of the western part, and just the left side of where I stand is the southern part of the boundary wall, sir. Stand and how to stand with the students, and in front of me where I stand is the ground where the students assemble here for assembly when the students normally. and this is also used as the playground of the school, sir. And we have at least 3 acres land for the playground. This school has complete 5 acres land.
बोल दीजिए इनसे। इनसे बोल दीजिए इनसे सुना चाहिए। आप मैडम को ही के बारे में
तो सर बोले हैं तो अभी
अंदर एक बात कर लीजिए।
This is the parking place where the teachers keep their bikes under the shadow of the stand. And from my right side, it is a part of the cycle stands of the students. The students of this school are not allowed to come in the school by bike. They are only cycle they use. And this is the parking place of the Vidyalaya vehicles. After academic period, the vehicles are being kept in this lunch. Sir, would you like to clarify any other thing, sir?
I think that once again you please show me the laboratory.
Okay, sir.
रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है थोड़ा पिक्चर करना है पिक्चर का नेट कब तक करना है अच्छा अब आया
Sir, I am detailing the laboratory of the school. Just front side, it is the biology lab, and the middle row is for physics lab, and from my right side here is the chemistry lab. I would like to convey this message, sir. Now a time, my laboratory lab is in one composite hall, but it is separated. And Mr. Dev Datta, the biology teacher of my school, as well as the head of the Department of Science, and the second person is Sanjay Pathak. He is physics teacher of my school, and both are the competent teachers in his subject. And chemistry teacher is suffering from COVID-19, so he's on leave, sir. So if you would like to ask anything to biology, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir, please.
Datta Sahab. Dev Datta ji.
फोटो के लिए नहीं है जी सर
Biology teacher. Suppose a student asks a question to you, what is life? Suppose a question is put before you,
Please, sir,
and by
repeat
a
this question.
innocent student, what is life? How will you explain it? For that
The light
small,
is a form. Sir, question what is light?
what is life?
The light
Can
is a
you-
form of
can
energy
you
which is
define
unable to
light?
see. The light is a form of energy which is unable to see everything. It is show that the light has the two types of luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous object, those objects which emit their own light, and non-luminous, those objects which do not emit their own light. Okay, sir.
Okay. Anything more about life?
So light is a form of energy which is unable to
Yes,
source
yes,
of
I
energy.
understand. Suppose the things are of two types. One is living and another is non-living. Living
Okay, sir.
things contain life. Non-living things have no life. Then, if a small kid asks a question, "What is life?" How will you define life?
So light is a form of energy which enable to use to see everything is around in nature.
Can you explain? I am just putting one sentence before you. Life is made up of lifeless molecules. Can you explain it? life is made up of lifeless molecules.
Sir, please repeat this question, sir.
Life is made up of lifeless molecules. Can you explain it?
Different kind
Can
of
you
things are,
specify?
sir. Light is enables to the see of everything's object, and but some such things are not enabled to say light everything's an object.
Suppose I am just explaining you.
Yes.
Our body is made up of so many cells. Okay.
Yes, 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 sir.
Cell contains protoplasm.
Okay.
Protoplasm is made up of so many organic and inorganic molecules
Yeah.
like protein, carbohydrate, fat, lipid.
Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, and minerals.
These minerals, these are the components. So molecules are
Five
there.
components.
Are you getting my point? Molecules are present in the protoplasm. When you break the molecule, it will be broken into atom. Suppose you separate. Suppose this protoplasm is made up of protoplasm has protein. Protein is made
Okay.
up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen.
Protein.
Okay.
Okay.
Carbohydrate is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen.
Carbon, huh? Okay, okay.
But if you think that is there life in carbon separately? No.
No, sir, light is not a carbon, sir. But
No.
carbon has a 3 allotropes.
Life is not found in carbon. Just like, is there life in hydrogen? Is there any life in oxygen? No. But when all these atoms and molecules combine together, resulting in the formation of the protoplasm, the moment protoplasm is formed, life starts.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why it is said that life is made up of lifeless molecules. There is no life in carbon, no life in oxygen, no life in hydrogen separately. But when all these atoms and molecules combine together,
Okay,
and resulting in the formation of the protoplasm, because protoplasm is the combination of different organic and inorganic molecules.
Inorganic molecules.
Okay, so that's why it is said that life is made up of lifeless molecules. जीवन वैसे तत्वों से मिलकर बना है जिसमें जिंदगी है ही नहीं. समझ रहे हैं ना?
Okay, okay.
ठीक है. So in biology,
Yes, sir, I am a teacher of biology.
you are teacher of biology. Plants and animals are there. है ना?
Please repeat this question, sir.
What is the difference between the plant cell and animal cell in respect of their cell wall or animal cell?
Sir,
Or
plant
plasma
cell
membrane.
is the presence of cell wall and cell membrane, but animal cell is the presence of only for cell membrane, not a cell wall. Okay, sir.
And what cell wall contains? Why cell wall is?
Cell wall contains a cellulose made up of cellulose.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you heard the name of lignin?
Please, sir, repeat this question, sir.
Lignin.
Lignins. So lignins is a cell wall contain latex a thick sticky layer.
I think that in lower classes, have you shown the students the onion peel? Plant cells are obviously there.
Onion pills. Onion pills.
Plant cell or cell division. Cell division. Have you shown your students about the different stages of cell division?
But cell division is a kind of sort. Onion cells are two types of mitotic and meiotic cell divisions.
So mitotic cell division, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and
Prophase,
telophase.
metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and meiotic cell division is leptotin, zygotin, packetins. Yes, sir.
So, have you shown the students regarding the different stages of cell division?
Okay. See these visions of microscope.
Okay. I think that so many permanent slides are in the laboratory.
Yes, sir. Different kind of permanent slides are present in the instruments of laboratory. Can you please see this, sir?
transverse sections of the stem or leaf. Okay.
Sir, the part mark 13 minutes is left.
हाँ,
Please listen, sir.
ठीक
Talk with madam.
ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, sir. Would you like to ask anything more?
Okay, you can leave.
Are you satisfied, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Any other thing, sir? Any other query?
No.
Okay, so may I leave it?
You can leave. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Namaskar.
मैडम को
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam.
Cover everything.
I again repeated some portions of the video because it was the situation that some portions may not be recorded. That's why I finished it, and now I am again discussing with you that this school. I think that whatever I have gone through the documents, video, and the virtual inspection, I think that this school is fulfilling all the conditions necessary to grant the application for the upgradation at +2 level. So, what is your opinion, madam? Please tell me again.
No problem, sir. Same thing. I have the opinion with you. Like, only thing is what we told they are going to do in the future. Nothing more to tell about that matter. It's fine. We could do something for them. No issue with that. They have the facility.
Okay, madam. Okay, some facilities which are lacking now at present time, I have also suggested them to enhance it, such as more facilities for drinking water, and the laboratory must be separated at +2 level, physics, chemistry, and biology separately, math lab, language lab. This must be established. This will be established as they have ensured, and I think that the school has sufficient space, sufficient ground, sufficient building, and they are making the plan to enhance the building capacity also, so that the different streams at +2 level like humanities, science, or commerce may be opened. And certainly when the upgradation will be done for this school, this will be helpful for the benefit of the students of this very locality, such as Katihar district. Okay, madam. I think that now 10 or 10 minutes are left. After 10 minutes, the forma will appear from CBSE. Then I will fill it and I will send you the link. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. So we can wind up this.
But please don't disconnect you. You have to remain continue. Okay. When I will say, then you will be disconnected. Okay, madam. Okay. Recording.